Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to show you how you can watch lives on Instagram. So let's jump straight in. You cannot actually do this with one easy step. So I'm going to show you a few steps as to how you can get this done correctly. The first thing you want to do is go ahead and tap the plus button on the bottom of your screen, and you're going to go over and you're going to tap on live. Now, what's actually going to happen here is you're going to have to record for a few seconds. Now, once you tap on record, you can actually see the countdown and you're going to record live. Now, once this process is complete and you can now actually see that you are live, you can go over to the bottom of the page and you can see there's a little message icon. It's the aeroplane icon. You're going to tap on that, and here you can share your live to any one of your contacts. If you have a secondary account, this is best to do it like such. And we're going to go ahead, tap on send. And now we are going to tap on the top right hand side. We're going to end our live. We're going to just say end video on the bottom of the page, and here we can just push back. We can say discard. We don't need this live anymore. It's actually now not public, so it actually is irrelevant. We're going to go over now to our messages on the top right hand side, and over here you can see that this live was shared with this account 1 minute ago, and at the bottom you can see it says watch live video. You're going to tap on that watch live video, and over here it'll open up the video that you just created, the live video, and you're going to go out again. And once you've done that, you go in again. Once you've gone in again, it'll actually bring up a couple live feeds of people that you follow. Now, you can only see live feeds of people that you follow. You can also change your notifications here to get notifications when somebody goes live. You can now also tap on see all, and you'll see all of the live feeds from your followers. There we go, folks. I hope this was helpful. You can drop us a like. We'll see you next time. Cheers.